Hello everyone, and welcome back to the bunker. Today's episode I'm gonna show you some stuff I got for the kirovets. Some interesting thing I'm gonna show you really soon. And I like to apologize for the printer noise, but I need to have that here because that's the only place I have it on, and it's working for making the DT75. So yeah, I'm sorry. I'm gonna move it farther away later because I have another printer on the way. So I will have two. I find one pre-owned, so then I can print some more stuff. Hopefully, if everything works on that one. Yeah, and the DT47 is coming along. You have seen some video and picture of it. I think it can be really nice. Hopefully I soon get the electronics for it and I can test drive it. The frame anyway and the tracks. So yeah, now I'm going to show you what I have gotten from a friend in the mail. So let's see what we have here. So here is what we got. Steering for the kirovets, all in aluminium. A friend sent me this. Really nice. Look at this. Let's unpack this from the pallet. Here we have. Woohoo! So this. We have the steering part here. Beautiful. And then we have back part here. Can sit like this when it's all done. Yeah. If this doesn't hold, then I don't know. But yeah, I mean the plastic one I will also hold really good so far. I have breaking one, and then I was really off-roading, so yeah, I don't think it would be a problem. But aluminium should be better, I think, yes. So now with some movie editing, I will make it painted. Kind of like that. Painted parts. So now I'm gonna get down every part on the kirovets so I can change this. So let's see all the electronic hell I have under here. Oh, god damn it. Yep. And that's how it looks. And now you just need to take all these parts off. So here we have the old one, plastic. This is one of the problems I have with it. It's a little bit, you see. So yeah, that one is gone. And now I'm gonna take some parts of it to the new one and see if I can put it together again. And like that, it's together again with the new parts. Well, kind of look the same, but much better and a bit heavier. Here's the old parts. So now I only have to test it, I guess. Okay, so let's see what's happened. Well, that doesn't look so bad. need to check. Yep, good. Good. Well then, everything looks perfect. Also, I want to tell you that the plow is out on my quilt page right now. Link in description. And yeah, that's all for today. See you next time.